Hi, I'm Anna with Heartwood Art, and today I'll show you how to use your mouse and keyboard shortcuts to change perspective and viewport in your SketchUp 3D modeling space. So let's dive in. Okay, first let's see how to zoom. You just turn your mouse wheel, go down for out and up for in. Now, where you place your mouse when you zoom determines the new focus point, meaning that will be the center of your zoom. So let's go up here to this corner and zoom in and zoom out. And go down to the bottom and zoom in, zoom out. See how that works? Now let's see how to spin our model around to another side view. In the left toolbar, you can click Orbit or just hit O on your keyboard. You may need to move your mouse around to see the orbit icon. And then click and drag as you go left and right with it. And you can go up and down. And you can do combo moves too, but they're a little tricky. So while you're clicking and dragging, you can scroll your mouse wheel. There are a bunch more move tools in SketchUp. Let's see pan. Just right click on your mouse while you're in orbit and click pan. And then click and drag the whole scene. Right click again. Let's do look around. Now, this is sort of kind of like pan and orbit, sort of. The next one is walk. So right click and do that and get a little walker. Click and drag to make the scene follow where your hiker is going. And then the last one is zoom. And this can come in handy to get close up on a specific place on an object. So see the little magnifying glass? Let's get right on that intersection, just hover over it, and click and drag your mouse up, just like you do with your mouse wheel, to zoom in. Now, it does have limits on how far it can go. Okay, that's it. Now that you know how to move around, be sure to subscribe to this channel to help you get started with your first SketchUp project.